In this video, I will show you how you can take macro photos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now there are two methods to take macro photos on your Samsung phone. But before we start, just make sure that you're in a good lighting condition because macro photos depend heavily on a good lighting condition. Now for the first method, just open the camera app, then tap on the four dots over here. Now just switch the camera from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. After you've done that, now just grab your subject, place your subject in the camera frame. Now do not go closer to the subject, but instead just zoom in and focus on the details which you want to capture. Now once your subject is in focus, then just move in a bit closer, but if your camera loses focus, then just go back a bit. And once your camera focuses on the subject, then just tap on the shutter button and you will capture a macro photo on your Samsung phone, just like that. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go back to the camera app, but this time just tap on More. From this menu, just tap on Expert RAW and install Expert RAW on your Samsung phone. Now once you have installed Expert RAW on your Samsung phone, then just go back to the More section and tap on Expert RAW. Now just give this app all these permissions. Now after you do that, then just switch to the wide or to the ultra wide camera, depending on your situation. For example, I'll switch to the ultra wide camera. Now just go closer to the subject of your photo, and from here just tap and hold on the lens which you have selected. Now since I have selected the ultra wide, I will tap and hold on the ultra wide and it will open the zoom section. Now just scroll the slider and try to focus on the subject. Now for example, if you're trying to zoom in but if your camera loses focus, then switch the camera from ultra wide to wide. After you do that, then just tap and hold on the wide camera, zoom in until you focus on the subject. Now once your camera focuses on the subject, then just tap on the shutter button and capture the photo. And as you can see, we have successfully captured a macro photo on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.